Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we use the fixed location constraint. For that, I have here a circle and a line and here also. So let's create a tangent here. So I'll select this one and this one. So here is tangent. But before creating here, we'll just fix this circle. So I'll select here the fixed constraint, select it and let's click on that and it will be fixed. And again if I click here and now if I create a tangent constraint, so as you can see here is tangent is created, but when I move this line, when I change the dimension of this line, the angle of this line, then as you can see the circle is not changing its center. It's remain on its same place, but it's just changing its radius. Similarly, if I change the dimension of the line here, then clearly you can see if the circle is not fixed, so that's why the circle is changing its center. So this way guys, you can use this fixed constraint. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.